So you're probably wondering, how the hell do I get paid to play Fortnite? I'm gonna tell you right here. Let's go! So first of all, if you're new to the channel and you're looking to become a digital entrepreneur, no matter what the hell you're trying to do, no matter where you want to go with your life, you want to subscribe to the infamous Joel. So hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, punch that like button and let the algorithm, the algorithm know that you like this kind of stuff. So let's get into it. Listen, my kids play a shitload of Fortnite and I gotta tell you, it drives me fucking nuts. So number one, you gotta sign up for what we call affiliate links here in the entrepreneurship world. Or affiliate programs rather, whatever the fuck they're called. If you look at my screen here, I found a blog called 48 Gaming Affiliate Programs That Will Make You Money. And they're not lying. There's a shit ton of programs here. Number one being mainly Amazon Associates. You got GameStop, you got Newegg, you got all these companies with affiliate programs. What the hell does that mean to you? So you're streaming, right? This is how it's gonna work. This is how the system works all together. Pay attention. You're gonna be on Twitch, you're gonna be on Mixer, you're gonna be especially on YouTube. And if you're not on YouTube, for God's sakes, curate, meaning take your footage, take the streaming stuff that you made, a lot like Markiplier makes, right? And you take that and you turn it into a YouTube video. We'll get into how to actually dominate YouTube in another video, but right now I just want to introduce you to how you can make money playing Fortnite. Okay, so here we're at Markiplier's actual Twitch account. Now, you know how on Twitch you get this little about button? Now, what he could do, he's not doing because he's massive, right? But what he could do is instead of putting I scream here, I stream here, I scream here, I stream here, whatever he says, right? Instead of doing that, he could put like an affiliate link here. So these companies that have these affiliate programs that you sign up for, they will give you a special link that is coded back to you that you can use to prove that you made these referrals, to prove that you made these sales. Now, if someone clicks on it and they go over to Amazon, they go over to GameStop, they go over to whatever, and they buy the frou-frou thing, you get commission for that. You get paid for that. If you look down in the description of my videos down below, you'll notice that there's a bunch of affiliate links. I even have my own programs down there. Do not waste space on the internet. It's all real estate. It's all there. Free real estate. It's all there so that people can click, right? If you're an influencer, you're on Instagram, you're on YouTube, you're on Facebook, you're on wherever, you're on Snapchat, you're on TikTok, and you're wasting space on your profile, on your about page, on your bio, and your description, wherever. If you're wasting space and there are no links there, there's nothing you're recommending, you are leaving money on the table. So as you're running around on Fortnite and you're trying to figure all that out, you're getting all these headshots and battle royale victories, and you're winning duos and trios and all the other stupid modes that they have, and you're fighting off wolves. Just remember, do not waste space on your content. Do not waste space on your stream. Do not waste space on YouTube. Monetize every single bit of it. So can you be a millionaire just playing Fortnite and doing this affiliate marketing strategy? Yeah, you can. But it's not easy. It's not overnight success. It is work. But if you're sitting there and you're playing Fortnite, or you're playing anything for that matter, and you're just wasting time, wasting space, monetize it. Monetize the hell out of it. What are you waiting for? And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the link in the description or watch this video right here. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.